Can matter change its state? Dear students, you must have observed that solid ice cube, when provided with heat, turns into water, that is, liquid. Water on further heating turns into vapors, which is gas. In this video, we are going to learn science behind this change in state of matter. Conversion of solid to liquid. When solid is heated, kinetic energy of solid particles increases with increase in temperature. Hence, particles undergo vibrations. When heat energy overcomes the force of attraction, particles leave from their fixed positions and starts moving freely. By continuous heating, a stage comes when solid melts completely and gets converted into liquid state. The temperature at which solid melts to form liquid at atmospheric pressure is called as melting point of solid. A stage comes when temperature of the system do not change even if heat is continuously absorbed by system until and unless whole ice in system melts. This is because ice in system absorbs this heat for changing its state. Such type of heat is called latent heat. At atmospheric pressure, the amount of heat required to convert 1 kg of solid to liquid at its melting point is called latent heat of fusion. Conversion of liquid to gas. When liquid is heated, heat energy increases the temperature of the system, thereby increasing the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy allows the particles in the liquid to move faster. At certain point, these particles gain enough energy to break the forces of attraction. At this point, liquids start turning into vapor. At atmospheric pressure, the temperature at which liquid boils and turns into vapors is called as boiling point of liquid. A stage comes when heat of system remains constant till all liquid is converted into vapors. This heat is called latent heat of vaporization, which is defined as amount of heat required to change the unit mass of liquid into vapors at its boiling point under standard atmospheric pressure. In similar manner, by decreasing temperature, gases can be converted to liquids and liquids can be further converted into solids. Let us now have a look on activity. Conversion of solid to gases. Substances like camphor, ammonium chloride, naphthalene converts directly from solid to gaseous state. Such a process where solids convert to gases without undergoing liquid state is called sublimation. Let us now have a look on activity. Let us take a quick recall regarding the changes in state of matter. Dear students, I hope you enjoyed learning this topic. Thanks for watching.